What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to do SEO, search engine optimization, for your website. Now if you're not doing this, I bet you are losing a lot of traffic to your website. Let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. Now if you go to Google and say King Obinnar, now you just want to know about me or about what I do, just type in King Obinnar and search. You are going to see that my website is appearing here, and I have some other links that is appearing here. Now what is happening is I've told Google exactly what to show up, my meta description, everything they need to show up right here for me to appear on Google easily. So if you're not doing this for your e-commerce website, for any kind of website you have, you are losing traffic. Okay, so I'm also ranking for a lot of keywords, which I'm not going to show you right now because there are so many of them that I'm ranking for, and these keywords are bringing traffic to my website. Okay, so that's exactly what I want to show you. I want to show you exactly some of the plugin or the major plugin you need to have in order to make your website visible on Google, in order to make your website start ranking fast on Google, start doing search engine optimization right now. Now to add a plugin, what we need to do is to go to appearance, go to add new, and we are going to add the plugin that is going to help us show up on Google easily. What we need to do, the name of the plugin. Now there are so many search engine optimization plugins, but the one I'm going to be showing you on this in this video is called Yoast Seo. So just search for Yoast Seo. Okay, so search for Yoast Seo. Now this is Yoast Seo. This is the plugin. Of course it has a free plan and a paid one, but right now the free one is what we need to do to get started. Okay, so what we need to do is to install this plugin, and after it's installed, then we need to activate it. Okay, so wait for it to install, then we can go ahead and activate the plugin. Now this plugin is going to help us rank our website, our keywords, a lot of things on Google. Now there are so many things you can do with this plugin, so just continue and let's go. So after you've installed it, you need to scroll down to where you have it. Now this is Yoast Seo. Then what we need to do is to click on settings here, or you go to this corner here and come here and click on this general option. Okay, so right now we need to configure the plugin in order for us to use it. Now let me delete all the stuff. There are so many of them blocking the view, so that we can go directly to what we want. So right now this is Yoast Seo. Right now we need to configure a whole lot of things. As you can see here, what we need to click on right now is to click on start SEO data optimization. So once I click on it, it's going to automatically bring this stuff to my dashboard right here. So right now I can just allow it for a while for it to do its job. So it's doing its job right now, and after its job, then we can continue to setting up and making sure our website is very optimized in order for Google to rank our website. Of course, after using this plugin, the next thing we need to know is to go set up a Google Search Console account. Now I think I'm going to be doing that in other videos. Let's see. I might decide to do it in this video as well, but depending on how quick I make this one. Now okay, so this one is loading, and wait for it to load. So like I was saying before, you need to also submit our website to Google Search Console. So once we submit our website to Google Search Console, there we can tell Google, we can submit our sitemap, then Google will be able to crawl our website easily. Now I think I'm going to make a separate video because that topic is a broad one. Okay, it's a very broad topic. I'm going to make a separate video about Google Search Console and how you can submit your sitemap to Google Search Console. Please tell me in the comment section if you need the video, so that I'll know I'm going to make it, and subscribe so that you won't miss it whenever I drop it. So this one is saying it's gonna take a while, so but we'll just leave it and continue with some other settings. So right now we need to go to this search appearance. Okay, so this search appearance section right now, all we need to do is to tell Google the way we want to appear on Google, so that it can be able to make our website appear that way. So right now this is the home page. You can determine the title and description for the home page by editing the home page itself. So if you go and edit the home page, you can tell Google the title and the description of your home page. You can click on this to do that, but I'm not going to do that, but it's very simple. I've showed you. Now the data is is shown as metadata in your site. It is intended to appear in Google search knowledge graph. You can be either an organization or a person. So right now it's set to organization, but I can say I'm a person. So it's going to ask me for my name, then I'm going to select user, which is the name of this site, and you can ask me for the avatar, the picture, and I can upload it here. Now once you've uploaded it, you click on save changes and it's going to save. Yes, it has saved. So right now we need to configure some other important areas, which is very simple as well. So once you have done this, go to content types and we can on this on content. So as you can see, it's on content. So what we need to do is to give a meta description. So please don't write this is a demo. Please, I just wrote this is a demo. Please don't do that. Write a good description about what your website is all about. Make sure you write it here, and after that you can use this default page type to click on the page, but I'll just leave it. And let me select this page, search result page. This says unknown savings. These settings will apply to all your posts and are manually configured will be left untouched. So I'll just leave it as search result page, and this default article will be this article page. And yeah, this social icon, this is for pro, so we'll just leave it. And we can also scroll down to do other ones. So pages, we can on it for pages. You can do that for this one. I think everything is good, so we click on save changes, and I'm just going to save. Now we can also go to media or breadcrumbs or RSS. So we'll just leave it the way it is. I think I like it the way it is. So right now we have technically completed this section. So now let's see how this is going to look like on Google. So if I go to posts, right now we have this section here. This is run by that plugin Yoast. Is going to tell us the way our website is. So now this is I think this is the home page. So if I click on edit right now, if I click on edit, it is going to take me to where I can edit the page, and there I'm going to see how this website is going to look like on Google. So it's loading up. We'll wait for it to load, and yeah, for now the name of the page is hello world and all those stuff. So this is how the page is going to look like on Google. This section here, this is hello world. So what we need to do is to change the hello world to like home or something, then it's going to appear here. And this is color mark. For now, this is the name of the website. Of course, we can change this in the customize section or the name of your website. And there's no description. So what we need to do is, okay, this is the description I wrote. This is meta description, and it's showing up here. This is a demo. Please make sure you write a well detailed description about what your website is all about. Please and please do that. Now for this slogan should be the name of your website, the name of this page. Make sure the name of this page is the name of this slogan, and you need to follow the this plugin's recommendations. So you need to add SEO analysis. Yes, this is the recommendation. In order for you to get a good SEO, you have this outbound links. Make sure to add links to your site, link it to a page. Now you can also you can add images. You can add images to your website. You can add internal link by linking your article to each other. You can do keyword phrase length, and you can do a lot of things. So just follow their recommendation here and you can do it. Okay, so if you don't understand anything, tell me in the comment section. Of course, that's what the comment is used for, and I'm going to analyze it. And if it's something I need to make a video about, of course I'll make the video about it for you, and I will be there to answer your questions. So this is very simple, and you can follow this stuff here in order for you to get a good SEO stuff. Now you can also add performance, add related keywords, and cornerstone content, and advanced. So these are the things you can do with this plugin. As you can see, it's very simple, and it's going to help you rank on Google. This is how it's going to be showing on the mobile, and you can see how it's going to show on desktop. This is how it's going to show on desktop. So this thing is very simple, and I want you to do it for your website, because if you don't do this, except you're using any other plugin that is going to help you for SEO, if you're using any other plugin for SEO, then great, good, it's nice. But if you are not using any plugin at all for SEO, please make sure to use this plugin. There are other ones which I'll be making videos about very soon, but start using this one so that you can start appearing on Google. And in my next videos, or in the next videos, please make sure to tell me if you want those videos. I'm going to be making a video about how to add your website to Google Search Console in order for you to have a lot of chances to get visitors from Google to start showing up on Google easily and faster. You need to create a Search Console account and submit your sitemap. If you want that video, like I said, tell me in the comment section, and I'll be making the video for you. Now if you have any question, like I said again, tell me in the comment section. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And I think I'm done with this video. I think you understood something from it. If you did, do the needful. Please like it, subscribe, turn on the bell icon. I'll see you guys in my next video. Stay blessed.